Glowing skin starts with a good scrub. Today we are using just two ingredients, baking soda and aloe vera. In a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the aloe vera gel. Mix together until it forms a paste. Rub gently on your face for 1 minute, especially around the nose and chin. Rinse well. It exfoliates dead skin, fights breakouts, and leaves skin smooth. Use once a week for best results. Do not forget to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to this channel.